In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a 16.9 video to a 9:16 format for shorts using Clipchamp. Whether you're a content creator looking to optimize your videos for mobile viewing or just trying to see your work from a different perspective, this guide will walk you through the entire process smoothly. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your web browser. You can use any browser you prefer, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once open, head over to the search bar and type in Clipchamp. Clipchamp is a popular online video editor known for its user-friendly interface and powerful editing tools, making it perfect for both beginners and seasoned editors alike. Click on the Clipchamp website from the search results, and it will take you to their homepage. Next up, you'll want to log into your account. If you don't have an account, don't worry. You can create one very easily. Follow the on-screen instructions to sign up, which usually involves entering your email and choosing a password. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by Clipchamp's intuitive dashboard. Here's where all the magic happens. Now, it's time to import your video file. Click the Import button, usually located near the top left corner of the screen, and select the video you want to convert. As you upload your file, keep in mind that the larger your video, the longer it might take to upload. Once your video is fully uploaded, it will appear in your media library on the left-hand panel. Go ahead and drag your video onto the timeline. This is the section where you can see your video laid out, ready for editing. With your video on the timeline, you'll notice a button at the top center of the editing window that says 16.9. This button represents the current aspect ratio of your video, which is widescreen. Click on this button to reveal a drop-down menu of various aspect ratio options, each suited for different kinds of media. In this drop-down menu, you'll find 9:16 as one of the options. This is the vertical aspect ratio most commonly used for mobile platforms and social media reels, like TikTok or Instagram stories. Selecting this option will resize your video preview to a vertical frame. Your video clip will now have black bars on either side, a process known as letterboxing. This is completely normal and helps maintain your video's original content without cropping. And there you have it. You've successfully converted your 16.9 video into a 9:16 format using Clipchamp, ready for uploading as a mobile-optimized short. Practice this a few times to get the hang of it, and you'll be converting videos like a pro in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing.